Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Camera video format and monitor input must match because mismatched signals produce no picture. Next, turn off power and remove trunk trim. This gives access to the reverse lamp cluster. Strip a small section of the reverse lamp positive wire and test with a multimeter to verify 12V when shift is in reverse. Once done, attach the camera power lead to that tested wire and firmly secure the ground to clean chassis metal so the unit has a reliable reference. You route the video cable from the back to the monitor location following existing harnesses because that minimizes rubbing and keeps signal clean. When passing through metal or the firewall, fit a grommet and seal with silicone. This prevents chafing and water ingress. Next, run the camera power using a fused lead. Place a 1-3 inline fuse near the source for safety. Make sure to separate power runs from high current wiring to reduce interference and preserve video clarity. You finish by mounting the camera securely, aiming it slightly downward to capture the bumper and ground for distance reference. Once mounted, connect the RCA video to the monitor and apply power. Turn the vehicle to reverse to trigger the camera, then tweak brightness, contrast, and angle so guide lines and objects are clear. If the screen stays blank, check one by one. The fuse, ground connection, reverse trigger for 12V, and RCA continuity. If interference appears, reroute cables and add ferrite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.